Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today I'm talking to you about how to find glasses for a lower nose bridge. So on my channel, I'm pretty popular for how to find bras, how to find the right size, how to find the right bra, also how to find the right jeans, the best kinds of jeans. And I thought this fit perfectly, how to find the right glasses for a low nose bridge, because I do have a lower nose bridge. And in this video, I want to talk about 3 different things. The first thing being, what even is a low nose bridge? Do I have one? Do I fit in this category? The second thing I want to talk to you guys about is different tips when you're shopping either online or even in store for glasses, whether you have a low nose bridge or not. And then the third thing is different glasses frames and styles, sunglasses included, and the different lenses that are out there so that it can fit your lifestyle perfectly. But if you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I would love to have you here. Today's video is really kindly and generously sponsored by EyeBuyDirect. But here on my channel, for a lot of you guys have been following me for a while now. I hope you guys believe in me and trust in me enough to know that I would never ever push a product or a brand onto you guys that I didn't truly believe in. So again, EyeBuyDirect is now like a part of my day-to-day life because I cannot live without my glasses. I can't see. Like literally, I cannot see without my glasses. So I just wanted to make that disclaimer before we get started. But anyways, let's just get started. So the first thing that I said that I wanted to talk about was, what even is a low nose bridge? Do I fit in that category? How do I know the difference between a low and high nose bridge? So I actually went on Google just to search up what is a low nose bridge. I think for a lot of people, they don't even know if they fit in that category. And what Cora says is, your nose bridge has to do with your profile view. A low nose bridge is like a flat nose, which is why glasses don't fit as good. So this is really why I wanted to make this video, but most glasses are made for the average or higher nose bridge. So if you feel like that's you, then let's move on to the second thing I wanted to talk about, which is different tips and tricks on how to find glasses for a lower nose bridge, and also just a couple of things to keep in mind when you're shopping. So the first thing is, I'm gonna have you guys turn to the side, your side profile view, and you can even see or measure, if you want to get really specific, measure the distance between your inner corner to the tip of your nose bridge. So I actually looked at my cousin's nose for a little bit of research, and her nose doesn't actually really start to stick out until like the middle cheek area of her face, kind of right around her under eye. So for about 1 inch from her brow bone to the middle of her face, it's actually quite flat, which is not a good or bad thing, or like, looks better or worse. It's just different. We're all made so differently, and that's why it's so important to find glasses that are going to be functional, fashion, but also feel comfortable and stay on your face. So a tip that I wanted to share with you guys, if you do have a low nose bridge, is to find glasses that have a nose padding on it. So EyeBuyDirect actually has over 1,200 different styles of frames and glasses and sunglasses, which is incredible to me. The options are so endless, and as I was even scrolling through the website, I was like overwhelmed. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to find. But they make it super easy to categorize and even set your preferences and filter them out. So let's say you want metal frames or no frames or clear frames, like whatever you're looking for, you have the ability to filter them out, and then they can make it more specific for the search for you. So I'm actually going to show you guys the difference between glasses with a nose padding and glasses without a nose padding, both from EyeBuyDirect, but this pair here is called the Saint Michelle, and I actually saw Mariana Hewitt wearing this in her What's in My Bag video, and I was like, that is so cute, I need it. So here is what it looks like with the nose padding. Now, these are actually prescribed to my eyes, and I can see really well. I'm just tilting my head off to the side so that it's easier for you guys to see. But the second tip that I have for you guys is to smile really hard when you're trying on a pair of glasses. And if your cheekbones stick out a lot and it's touching your frames, that is something that's gonna really irritate you, especially if you're like me and you wear a lot of makeup. And my highlight is always rubbed off on my glasses, my other glasses that are just a little bit more angled towards my cheeks, and then they always hit the sides of my face. It's really frustrating. It's really frustrating to get makeup on your glasses, having to clean it all the time. So actually all of the glasses I got them with the digital protection lenses on them, which means that they're protecting my eyes from the blue rays that are emitted from our phones, our laptops, even from our TVs and any electronic devices. But it actually makes a big difference if you're kind of someone who's on the computer a lot like myself. These are actually super, super important to me to get digital protection lenses. So now I want to show you guys a pair that are really, really cute, but they don't have the nose padding, and I want to show you the difference. So I love these frames. Again, I saw them on Mariana Hewitt and I was like, wow, this is really cute. So I actually trialed both of these glasses for the last 2 weeks to really see if I saw a difference in glasses sliding and all that stuff, and it is a big deal. Yes, I definitely saw a difference. These glasses here are so, so cute, but because they don't have the nose padding, they really just slid all the way down to the tip of my nose. And now this is the biggest thing that I'd recommend if you're trying them on in the store, or even if you're trying to pair on from online, is not only to just wear them for 5 minutes, because if I wore this for just 5 minutes, it would stay up. It's fine. I'm moving my head and it's staying up nice and tight. But as the day goes on, and because I also have oily skin, I noticed that it would literally just fall to the tip of my nose, and I would constantly be having to push them up. Now I want to show you guys the different glasses that I picked up. The Alchemist style. Now I love round glasses. I feel like they fit my face shape really well, but I got these pair. They're kind of dainty and really cute, and they've got the nose pad as well, and I can smile again really hard, and it doesn't touch the frames at all, which I love. And each of the glasses actually come with like a little microfiber pouch so that you can clean your glasses on the go. And they come with like a little eco-friendly box, which I love. I'm all about being eco-friendly and animal cruelty free, all that stuff. So as I've been saying, EyeBuyDirect is super customizable with their preferences, what your needs are for your lenses, but they also have frames that come in multiple sizes, which I think is really unique to them. I never saw this before on any other glasses site. So I wanted to show you guys a pair of sunglasses that I got that I was just in love with. This is actually from the men's section. These are called Boardwalk, and I got them in the polarized green. They've got like kind of a hexagonal shape. I really, really love these because again, they have the nose padding, I can smile, I don't get any makeup on. And then the last pair that I want to show you guys are my favorite out of this entire like mini haul that I'm showing you, but it's these here. They're called Velour. So this doesn't actually have nose padding on it, but because of the size of the frame and my head shape, it's like perfect, and they have all the dimensions on the site. They fit me perfectly. I just feel like Audrey Hepburn when I wear these. So I actually prefer not wearing any contacts when I'm swimming, and then I'll just have a pair of prescribed sunglasses so that when I am just like hanging by the pool or at the beach or something, I can wear these and actually see the person that I'm talking to. So those are all the glasses that I have to show you guys and all the tips that I wanted to share. I want to say a huge thank you to EyeBuyDirect. You can use the code INMYSEAMS20 to get 20% off at checkout, because again, glasses can get really expensive, especially if you have specific needs. So I think it's really amazing that they're giving us a discount code to shop with. I'm definitely going to be shopping on their site. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. I would love to talk to you guys and hear your feedback about what your favorite glasses frames were on me. Let me know if you guys have low nose bridges, and if you have any questions for me or suggestions in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!